Which leather backpack is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Tiding Men's Vintage Leather Backpack. First up, we have the Tiding Men's Vintage Leather Backpack, retailing at $169.99. What immediately caught my eye was the premium 2.2 full-grain cowhide leather. If you want a backpack that screams quality and durability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This backpack is crafted by experienced artisans, meaning it's designed to last. The heavy-duty YKK metal zippers can endure 1,000 pulls, which is impressive when you consider how often you'll be accessing your gear. Plus, with dimensions of 7.3 x 12.2 x 16.5 inches and a weight of 4.4 pounds, it comfortably fits a 15.6 laptop and your tablet. Now, some people complained about the weight. Yes, it is a bit heavier due to that thick leather, but here's the thing, that's also what makes it so durable. If you're someone who prioritizes a bag that can handle wear and tear, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish bag for business travel or outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For the price, you're getting serious value for a high-quality leather backpack. Product number 2, WDON Leather Backpack. Next up is the WDON Leather Backpack, priced at just $56.67. I was drawn to its combination of waxed canvas and crazy horse leather, giving it a rugged yet stylish look. If you're an adventurer on a budget, this is a fantastic option. What really stands out is its spacious interior, measuring 13.5 x 6.1 x 18.5. It can hold a large 17 laptop along with your clothes and gear, making it perfect for weekend trips. It also features a drawstring closure under a leather flap, ensuring your valuables are secure. Plus, the durable construction means it can handle anything you throw at it. However, some users mentioned that the flap can be tricky to open quickly when you're in a hurry. While it's a minor inconvenience, it could be frustrating for those who need quick access. But look, if you're planning on using this bag for outdoor activities, it's a small price to pay for such durability. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable companion for travel or daily use. Skip it if you want something that's entirely fuss-free to open. Overall, this backpack is a steal considering its quality at this price. Product number 3, Samsonite Classic Leather Slim Backpack. The third pick is the Samsonite Classic Leather Slim Backpack, available for $129.99. From the moment I saw it, the sleek design immediately caught my attention. If you want a professional-looking backpack that's also functional, this is worth checking out. This backpack features a dedicated padded pocket for laptops up to 14.1, which is great for keeping your tech secure. The main compartment has a curved zipper for maximum access, which means no more struggling to reach your belongings. With a volume of 21.2 L, it's compact but surprisingly spacious. One downside some users pointed out is that it may not fit larger laptops comfortably. If you're rocking a larger device, this could be a deal breaker. But if you're using it for a standard laptop, you'll love how clean and organized it keeps everything. This is perfect for you if you're a professional who wants to maintain a polished look while carrying essentials. Skip it if you need to carry multiple laptops or larger devices. It's a solid investment for anyone who values style and functionality. Product number 4, Samsonite Classic Leather Backpack. Next, we have the Samsonite Classic Leather Backpack, priced at $183.99. This one caught my eye with its rich cognac color and spacious design. If you're looking for a backpack that combines luxury with utility, this is definitely worth a look. Designed to fit laptops up to 15.6, it features a padded laptop pocket and multiple storage options, including a front organizer pocket. With dimensions of 18.5 x 12 x 6.5, it's spacious enough for all your gadgets and essentials. The smart sleeve is a nice touch for easy travel. However, some users mentioned that the straps could be a bit uncomfortable during long uses. If you're planning to carry this for long periods, that's something to consider. But honestly, the quality and features outweigh this minor flaw if you're someone who appreciates a premium feel. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish backpack that can handle both work and travel. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty use. It's worth the price for the luxury materials and thoughtful design. Product number 5, Carhartt Classic Laptop Backpack. Last but not least, we have the Carhartt Classic Laptop Backpack, retailing at $64.99. What I love about this backpack is its no-nonsense durability and tough build. If you're looking for a reliable bag for everyday use, this is a fantastic deal. This backpack is made from 600 denier polyester with rain defender technology, keeping your belongings dry. The dedicated 16 laptop sleeve and multiple organizational pockets make it super practical for daily commutes or school. Measuring 13 x 18 x 8, it's spacious without being bulky. Some users found it a bit basic in style, which might not appeal to everyone. If you're after something more fashionable, this might not be it. But look, if all you need is functionality and durability, this backpack delivers without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy, reliable bag for work or school. Skip it if you want something trendy or formal. For the price, it's an unbeatable value. So there you have it. We've covered a range of leather backpacks, from the luxurious Tiding and Samsonite options to budget-friendly picks like WDON and Carhartt. Each backpack has its strengths and weaknesses, but I hope this helps you find one that fits your needs perfectly. Happy backpack hunting!